Hello kids, welcome to my channel Kids Teaching Hub. Today in this video you will learn about good habits and good manners. So let's start. Sleep early at night. Wake up early in the morning. Keep your room clean. Brush your teeth twice in a day. Eat healthy food. Wash your hands before and after meal. Drink water frequently. Do physical activities. Go to school regularly. Complete your homework daily. Use these magical words. Thank you, excuse me, I am sorry, please. Follow the traffic rules. Help your elders. Always take care of your pet. Help and share with your siblings. Keep your classroom clean. Use a dustbin. Keep your surroundings clean. Take a shower daily. Wear clean clothes. Trim your nails regularly. Clean your ears regularly. Offer prayers regularly. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.